Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here with a Shabby chic card with lots and lots of flowers. I made this card for a friend of mine and inside I made a paper strip because she wanted to give money. You can see at the end of the video the inside pictures and the box I made for the card as well. I'm gonna cut in half the next piece and as you see here, I am scratching the edges a little bit with my distressed tool, or you can use your scissors as well. And now I'm using the back of a slim brush to curl the four edges. I use double-sided tape to stick my lace. I use my glue gun to stick some ivory sisal. And then I stick down the papers. Okay, let's turn the card to make it easier. I cut a chipboard in a way that it can fit in my card. I take some gesso or white paint diluted with water and make some splashes with my brush here and there. And my card for today is just finished. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!